This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Eric Butler. Come see this charming, stone and vinyl faced, split foyer with an incredibly open floor plan. A place where the higher elevation gives you distant views of North Mountain in the front and farmland in the back. The foyer welcomes you with hardwood flooring that can also be found in the dining area upstairs. The upper level has a combination great room, dining room, kitchen area that sits under a cathedral ceiling, creating a spacious gathering room. The atrium door in the great room leads to a roomy deck outside and a beautiful view. On the opposite side of the house is a primary bedroom with private bath, 2 additional bedrooms, and a full bathroom. The lower level is finished with laminate flooring, a family room, and another full bath. The washer and dryer are found in the unfinished utility room along with a water heater and water treatment system. An oversized 2-car garage has plenty of room for your vehicles and additional storage. A new asphalt roof was just put on in May 2021. The large backyard is fully fenced with a wood privacy fence that backs to trees. Schedule a showing today so you don't miss out. For more information